As always, the tournament buy-in is $20,000.
Are you ready to lose? You should be.
Hey, check it out, guys! I'm clean and shiny, like a baby's bottom, or a Justin Bieber.
Now look what you've done. You've triggered the inventory special table unlock policy, allowing me to deploy several pieces of aperture science equipment. This will end well. I can feel it.
Not this time!
Well, I raise.
I fold.
Call. Check.
Bet.
Nice to see I'm not the only one who can get goaded into a horrible decision.
I'm out.
El Beto Grande.
Stop trying to be multicultural, Sam.
Fold.
The player takes the pot.
Duh.
This deck's gone colder than Max's beady little shark eyes.
I call.
Ekche, Oozersley!
Check.
I had the weirdest dream last night.
Did it involve Charles Manson, Rita Moreno, and a duck?
No, but
And it wasn't the weirdest dream. I'll check.
do. Bet!
Don't feel bad. If I had your brain, I'd fold too.
Ugh.
Claptrap steals the pot.
Wow, that was easy.
Nope.
Not this time.
Call.
Have any of you considered the career opportunities as an aperture science test subject?
Don't most of your test subjects end up falling down bottomless pits?
That was the old aperture. Today I can state with confidence that over 95% of our previously bottomless pits have been outfitted with state-of-the-art stain-resistant floor panels.
What Sam is trying to say is that Aperture's test subjects have a nasty habit of dying.
Everyone dies eventually. You're dying right now, even as you sit here, struggling to intuit the simplest combinatoric calculations, cell by cell, heartbeat by heartbeat.
Yeah, so?
So why not make the most of your mortality by contributing to science? The player takes the pot.
So where was I? Oh yeah, I think I'll just write a check.
I call.
Hole cards? More like black hole cards, 'cause they suck. Am I right? Fold.
Yeah, I'm in.
Check.
I'll keep this friendly.
I fold. Folding suits you. Do more of it.
Old.
Ash grabs the pot.
I was probably bluffing that time, but thanks for playing along.
I haven't seen so much folding since Max and I busted that underground bed-making contest.
There was blood and goose feathers everywhere.
I'm in.
Call.
I call.
I raise.
Nice.
Nah.
There's only one way to respond to hole cards like these. Steve! So yeah, that's a fold.
Ooh, doggy, that's a lot of small ones. Yeah, I'm in.
I'll check.
Checks make me twitchy.
All in.
Woo! Nice.
All in.
Really?
Well, that was a clever move that won't come back to bite you in your ample posterior.
Yes.
Son of a...
Ashley has 2 pair, Sam has 2 pair, the player has 2 pair. On the side pot, Sam takes the pot, and on the main pot, Sam wins with the higher pairs.
You didn't stand a chance once I decided to win.
Ash has been excised from this experiment due to insufficient funds.
Ah!
You appear to be nodding off. Let's see if moving the blinds up to 600 and 1200 gets your attention.
You better not be cheating with some sort of X-ray attachment there, R2.
Why would I need to cheat? My cybernetic processors are more than capable of whipping your primitive ape brains.
Hey, I'm a dog brain.
Besides, X-ray lenses are so 20th century. All the cool robots are using quantum prediction fields these days.
But not you, right?
Yeah, right.
That sounded like the shutdown of a quantum predictor field.
No, that was, my, internal dialysis regulator, which I need for my diabetes that I have.
What to do? What to do? What to do? Okay, I'll bet.
A pussy says what?
Sam takes the pot.
Hey, I won again. I wonder what that means.
Means you're on a roll, baby. Bet everything.
I like these cards. Not like. That'd be weird.
Call.
I check.
Check.
Check, please.
I think I'll bet.
Seriously, that's the way you're gonna play? I'd buy a lot of Bowie knives. Fold.
Excuse me.
I said fold!
Sam!
You got another dog question, don't you?
Seriously, can you blame me? How often does a guy get a chance to chat up a talking dog? It's like interviewing a unicorn.
Fine. 3 questions, but nothing about my privates or floor scooting.
Okay. 1, can you eat chocolate? 2, do you date humans or other talking dogs? And 3, can you sense earthquakes before they happen?
Yow. Tough call. I call.
The player has a pair of queens. Sam has queen high. The player wins the hand.
Anyway. 1, yes, but I shouldn't, because it goes straight to my hips. 2, don't tell anyone, but I'm kind of off the market right now. And 3, dogs don't detect quakes, but sometimes we cause them. I'll check.
I'll bet.
Just remember, it's only a game. Raise.
You can't spell fold without fold.
He's gotta be bluffing, right? That's 8 cards of crap and a 5-card hand.
Looks like you backed poor old Claptrap into a corner. Call.
Oh, no.
Claptrap has a pair of queens. Sam has a pair of 10s. Claptrap wins.
That's what you get when you screw with the clap.
There was probably a better way to phrase that. Sure, why not?
I call.
I call. Is it true that Doc Venture was in a video game back in the 70s?
Yeah, back in the cartoon days, someone thought it'd be a good idea to turn Rusty's Adventures into a video game. It made that E.T. game look like Halo.
What about you, big guy? You ever star in a video game?
Claptrap steals the pot.
If this keeps up, I may have to upgrade my chassis to store all my money.
Anyhow, like I was saying, a few years back, some punk snuck my image into a Mortal Kombat knockoff. It's one of those unlockable Easter egg deals.
Mortal Kombat knockoff. Mortal Bobcat! That was you! What did they call you?
Tutu Blondie.
Tutu Blondie! With the Death Smooch Fatality move! Oh yeah! I think I even have a sound file.
Kiss me, now you have to kiss me!
Sounds like you had a promising side career there, Brock. What happened?
The company went bankrupt. With extreme prejudice.
Sam takes the pot.
That was easy. Too easy.
The blinds have been increased to 800 and 1600.
Raise.
Talk about a devil's three-way. I'm all in.
Who the what now? I'm not so sure I'm properly configured for group action right now. No offense, babe.
I'd probably be more offended if I paid the slightest attention to anything you said.
Call.
I think I'll call.
That's a check.
Check.
Jack?
Betting.
If you're folding because you're too embarrassed to admit that you've forgotten the rules, just nod your head. I promise not to tell anyone.
I fold!
Well, that's good, right? For me, I mean.
Son of a bitch!
Mr. Samson has a pair of fours. Sam has a pair of fours. Sam wins with an ace kicker.
More chips for me? I don't know what to say.
Tried your booty, Sam.
Brock Samson has been eliminated.
You know, my mom warned me against playing poker with dogs, robots, cripples, and mutes. Guess I should have listened to her.
Call!
I want to see what happens when these cards get together with their royal buddies. I bet.
Really?
Yeah!
And I'm out.
I call. Asterisks. Shazbot.
The player has two pair. Sam has a pair of aces. The player wins.
Have you been merchandised yet, Claptrap?
Have I been merchandised? Bubba, my image is plastered on so much crap that even I'm getting sick of it. Coffee mugs, t-shirts, feminine hygiene products, and that's not even counting the 43 different action figures.
Action figures?
Oh yeah. You want one?
Yeah. Well, not for me, of course. It's for my friend, Max.
Don't go dragging me into your arrested adolescence.
Tell you what, meet me behind the inventory after the tournament, and I'll set your friend up with a rare mint-condition worm-dancing claptrap.
Great day in the morning.
Call in. See what I did there?
Ooh, I think I just got kicked in the statisticals.
Well, that's unfortunate.
The little robot has a pair of nines. The player has a flush. Sam has a pair of sixes. On the side pot, Claptrap wins the pot. And on the main pot, the player wins the hand. Well done. Now we'll see how you do when I'm not stacking the deck in your favor.
So where was I? Oh yeah. Yes! I mean, I'm sure Max will be very happy.
I'm going all in.
Ah, fuzz nuggets. Call. All the heck in.
Who the what now?
Go ahead, call it. I'm just a goofy talking dog. What would I know about combinatorial game theory, multivariate conditional probabilities, or Aleph numbers? rats.
Claptrap has 2 pair. Sam has 2 pair. Claptrap wins with the higher pairs.
That was like taking candy from a baby. What's on Pandora is really hard, because they're all armed to the teeth that they don't have yet. I am so into these cards.
Call. Checo.
Check-a-rooney.
I'll bet.
You think I'd shrink away from this kind of action? Well, you're completely right.
Check.
The player has a pair of 9s. Sam has king high. The player wins. The blinds are now set at 1,000 and 2,000. Nice round numbers.
Raise.
Think. Let's go all in.
Great day in the morning.
Oh, Sam, think of all the hamdingers we could buy with that.
Shh, I'm thinking. In for a penny, in for a kilogram. Dang.
Whoa, mama. Hey, a good thing.
Mr. Trap has a full house. Sam has 2 pair. Claptrap wins the hand.
Ooh, that's gonna hurt.
Sam has been eliminated.
Are you sure about that? Because I think Max stole one of my chips.
I'm sure.
Geez, Sam, have a little dignity.
Two men enter, 1 robot leaves. Hey, buddy, want to split this pot and call it a night?
The experiment will proceed until its conclusion.
Experiment?
Did I say experiment? I meant tournament. Where is my mind this evening?
I'm going all in. My sensors indicate that you're way too big a loser to call me. Hey! A good thing! Oh, hell no!
Mr. Funny Chips has a pair of 9s, and the player has a pair of aces. The player wins the hand.
The player has won tonight's tournament.
I bet you think you're pretty clever, don't you?
I say.
But consider your competition. A steroid freak with rage issues, a horny robot, a half-witted cripple, and a dog. And even then you needed luck to win. Lots and lots of luck. I wonder how you'd do under less favorable conditions. Just kidding. I would never kill you in public.